Big up on yourself again, people. Big up on yourself again. Welcome back to MG Sports TV. And lie down in my bed. Wake up about, come me have to go up on the road early this morning. And wake up about early in the morning. Wife to get ready to go. After my wife leave out, go back in my bed, go lie down. About 6 o'clock. And I look up in the ceiling. And a whole heap of things are run through my head where Jamaican football is concerned. All the fundamental issues and all that kind of something there. And I've come to a conclusion. It can be right. And it can be way off. Which means totally wrong. But hear me out. Hear me out. Now, youth football development is the pathway for growth or for the growth of Jamaican football. Youth football development, as in academies, youth football leagues. I may speak from age 5 straight up to age 19, or not even 19 but 17. From 5 go straight up to age 17. The improving of that would gradually equate to the improvement of overall football. So mad people drive on the road, you know. Would gradually equate to better overall footballers going from the age 17, 18, 19 going forward. But there's a problem. There's a big problem where that is concerned. Now go explain to you the problem. But first, before me explain to you the problem, hit the like button, hit subscribe button. Thank you very much again for tuning in. My apologies. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, whichever time span you watch this one. My apologies, people. My first acknowledgement of the problem, I have to explain how the knowledge I have relevant and have some credibility to it. I've worked with some not directly, but some participating in competitions that I've covered. I've worked with probably about 50 academies in Jamaica. 50. Oh, no, over 50. My apologies. Over 50. And I can go sit down right now and take out a pen and paper and write down all of those academies that I've worked with. So Kingston and Kasafa, Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association, they normally do U10, U9, U7. They normally do this big extravagant U competition. Ballers do it as well. You have Arena's Shield. These are all youth competitions. Youth competition. And these competition would, like the Arena's Shield and the Arena's Cup, that's a female youth competition. You have the Genesis as well, female youth competition, Genesis Cup. Then now you have the regular Kasafa competition, you have the parish competitions them that are youth developmental competitions, right? I may speak about age 9, 10, 11, 12, sometimes 13. When I keep it in between the bracket there. These are massive competitions for the female section, but also for the combined, the boy and girl section. When I do some of the Kasafa competition, as I say, in a one tournament, you would have like 25 academies that participate in a one tournament. 25 youth academies. But there's the fundamental, let's get the credence in regards to the amount of people who work with, the amount of so I've seen it. I've seen all these competitions. I've been there, done that. But the thing I joke me I make, go up on my Facebook page because that is where I post most of the pictures them. I've gone as far as to do prep school competition. I've gone as far as to do basic school youth competition. Basic school. Basic school are like 4 and 5 and 6 year old. Basic school competition. That's how far I go. If you do 100%, go up on my YouTube page, type in basic school football, and we can bet you any money right now you see some games pop up. Any money you can bet you see some games pop up. But let's get to the problem. Support. Money. Here what I'm going to say now. Get sponsorship. That is a big talk in Jamaican football where youth development is concerned. Get sponsorship. So, listen to this here now. A video probably long, you know. I hope me not make it too long. Listen to this here now. Put yourself in the position where you keep a youth competition. I have 13 U10 teams from different respective academies. 13 from different respective academies. 13, you know. And you're going to seek sponsorship. I say, you got to your sponsors and say this is for the development of Jamaican football. You try to uplift the youths, and it's better for the long haul. And these are the things you have put to the sponsors. And the sponsors are going to ask you, what do I get in return? If me give you money to sponsor this, what do I get in return? How can I as a sponsor benefit from that competition? Now, as the organizer, you're going to say, we're going to put your logo upon the players' them shirt. We'll put your logo upon the banners them. You can carry out your stall and come sell. But you know, when the sponsor say you are going, I go no 700,000 for the competition. And I carry my stall come sell and put up my banners. So when the sponsor reach and put out them stall and put out them banner. And then look, the only persons come as supporter, some of the youth and parents and the other teams. These are the only people who did it. So how the sponsors benefit when football is not supported, especially youth football? And we say that is where all our money is spent. Now, when you spend all our money at youth development now, and there's no return for it, what do you do? What do you do? Why you got people who say it's for the long-term future, this, that. Yes, it's for the long-term future. But if you spend all like this up, what you have for the medium target goals them? Where you gonna have money for continue a program like that? If you throw money on something where you not get no return from. Unless you go disrupt something else to facilitate that. But one of the biggest problems where Jamaican football is concerned, and I say again, is support. We don't have enough persons in Jamaica who support especially youth football. When you got a youth football competition, most people are there are parents. Most people are there are parents. Most people at the competition are parents. So if you host a competition like that, how sponsors are going to benefit? How sponsors are going to want to be included in something that they have nothing to gain from? These are corporate people. These are people with money. Yes, they would have want a little tax evasion rate. Yeah, but they want something back. They want something back. How much eyes I see them product? How much eyes at the competition? And I have gone as far as to the youth developmental level. Because everybody has said, boy, we need to keep this, we need to do this, we need to do that. But nobody's supporting it. Nobody supports it. Corporate not support it. Supporters not support it. The only person who support it are the parents them because them pitney are going to play. And 1 and 2 media house them like me were fool and just love football. When here's the ball I kick down so, I'm a run gone down there. Just like that. Just because we love football. But if there's no support for Jamaican football, for football in Jamaica, how will the football itself improve? It cannot improve without resources. Resources will be there if there's eyes there. And then now they're going to say, if the football is better, more people are going to come. You think so? You really think so? Ah, boy. No, you have to understand this, right? It's just the same if him create a Jamaican movie. You won't get that much attention versus if you create a movie in Hollywood. Why? Marketing is a part of it, yes. But also, the Hollywood movie are going to have both for superstars tonight. Where enough Jamaicans love. Because they grew up and watch them superstars on the TV. So anything we see on with TV, that will gravitate to. We see English Premier League on TV, that alone we're interested now. Some see La Liga, some see Bundesliga, you know, but that we're interested now. But we're not interested for go see what we want. No. No superstar not there. There is no superstar there. Perfect example. Cavalier play against Inter Miami in Jamaica. See them pack. Why? Messi come to Jamaica. Nobody wants to see Messi. Can't beat that, me go. Come want to see Messi. But Cavaliers play the following weekend. Facility empty. Isn't the same Cavaliers them play? And everybody will come at the facility can talk about them and come support Cavaliers, and Jamaican people rate it because they never support Cavaliers. You see? But yes, still they got another opportunity. And a more continued opportunity to support Cavaliers, and they didn't. Same people want to talk to as well. They didn't. Go to show you that Jamaican people will do more of this talking than come with solutions. That's what we do. We're very good at talking. Like myself, I talk a lot. But at least me try make sense, and at least me try provide some remnants of solution. And again, as I say, one of our biggest problem in Jamaica where football is concerned is one, support. It's not nothing about no quality. That's how I give a youth level. That's how I tell a youth level. You can't expect to go to youth football and see them play like prime Barcelona. You got them more so if you say development, the youngsters them try apply themselves. And you say, yeah, at least you say coaching are gone. But how a coach are going to really invest so much money in himself to go do personal license and then kind of something there. But when him check it out, him not get by the money there when he start coach. Because there's not enough money in the industry to pay a coach like that. Or else him have to try to go overseas, and then how Jamaica benefit from him acquiring such high level coaching education. So you see, so there's a myriad of intricacies surrounding the problem where development of Jamaican football is concerned, especially at the youth level. Very, very topic. It's a topic we can have a long conversation of, and I think I'm going to do a live stream on the topic here. And there's a lot of persons in Jamaica, or even in the diaspora, who believe that they have the magic wand who can just find the answer just like that. There's a lot of persons who believe that they can do that. And I would love to hear other persons' ideas on how this can direct. Now, I've listed out a lot of things. It might not be everything. But at the end of the day, I try to give as much as possible. Tell me what you think in the comment section, people. Big up on yourself. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. MG Sports TV. Road. God bless. Boom.